And then I guess your reaction to the judge's decision and the comments that he made today?
Well, it was a very just decision. I think the judge took into account all of the circumstances involving the incident and the fact that Matt is a law-abiding citizen. And so we're pleased at the result. It was just and appropriate considering the circumstances.
Okay. And again, can you kind of summarize the judge's decision?
Sure. The judge gave him a deferred judgment on a disorderly conduct, and so as a consequence, it will not be a conviction of record, and there was no fine imposed. He'll pay a civil penalty, and that'll be the extent of it.
Okay. And why agree to kind of, I guess, this plea agreement to plead guilty to the disorderly conduct as opposed to, I don't know, trying to claim self-defense or that he had the right to make a citizen's arrest?
Sure. Well, we analyze these cases in light of the law and the facts of the case, and so as a consequence of that, I think Matt's heart was very good at the time of the incident. This is a woman with a criminal history and who had no business being where she was, but Matt, as we analyze the facts and the law, and based on the very favorable offer that was granted and the certainty of the result, we made a decision that this was the appropriate way to go.
Okay. And I think you had mentioned in court that your client, while I guess had no ill will, may have overreacted. Can you just kind of...
Well, when we look at the law and look at the facts of the circumstance, or the circumstances, it would appear that he may have overreacted. Bear in mind, with one hand he called the police, and with the other hand he pulled his gun, a gun he's allowed lawfully to carry. As we analyze the facts, it does appear that this woman was not in the middle of committing a crime. I think it's possible, had he arrived a minute or two later, she may have been, but the law would be clear that in light of the facts as we analyzed them, it was inappropriate for him to be pulling a gun at that point. So.
Okay.